Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start inside WhatsApp, open the app and go straight to chats. Once there, pick a specific conversation where you ran searches before. Tap the chat and press the in-chat search icon at the top. This shows matches and recent query highlights. You do this because WhatsApp saves local search context inside conversations. Clearing it depends on messages and chat-level actions. So, begin by identifying the exact chat and opening the search field. This is the first actionable step to remove search traces. Once the search field shows suggestions or past queries, tap the X or backspace to clear text, then long press any suggestion to remove it if supported. Next, open the chat menu, choose More or Contact Info, and remove starred or saved messages because those can keep items prominent in searches. If search matches come from media or specific messages, export any needed data first, then delete those messages or media from the chat. This reduces the items that will reappear in results. To finish, clear chat or delete the entire conversation to remove remaining local search context. Confirm the action when prompted. Once done, restart WhatsApp or reboot your device to let the app rebuild its index. This makes sure old suggestions disappear. If items still show, make sure the app is up to date and consider reinstalling WhatsApp after exporting backups. This resets local caches. If you use cloud backups, remember deleted local messages may still exist in backups, so manage them accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.